Oh, these things say recording, okay. Hello everybody out there in YouTube land, Facebook land. Never land in the land of the rubber band. Yeah, this Chief. Yeah, take a little shot of everything I got here. Finally got a lantern post that fits my my compound, and I got a friend that's gonna help me with getting my lathe hooked up. I know she's looking kind of rough. I'm gonna have to clean up a lot of stuff. My lathe needs a lot of loving care. From the time I got it till now, I haven't been able to do anything with it. So I'm getting real close. The only thing left is some more measuring tools, and I'm gonna get a brand new belt for a brand new drive belt, and then I'll be up and running. But yeah, this is what I got from eBay. You know, it didn't cost much. You know, like maybe $40 or something like that. Well, a lantern post, I forget what I paid for that thing. I think it was like 20 something bucks. And the tool holders I got, same thing. I got them from eBay a while back. And as you can see, I got a tool stuck in there right now. That's for threading. And I'm gonna practice my threading, get back into the lathe again, like I did when I was in prison. You know, the only thing we didn't have on our lathe up there, because somebody broke it, was the lead screw, so that we could thread and so that we could use power feed. But we need a lot of spindles for the craft shop. But yeah, that's what I got, brothers. Chief is almost there, man. I want to get into that and get back into welding. Here's the rest of my stuff. Not much. I got two more posts like that for bigger lathes that I had bought along the way. That was just, you know, it was all guesswork. You know, but now there's not so much the guesswork anymore. I've been hitting it on the money, getting the right size. Yeah, guys, this is Chief right here, getting his machine shop up and running. So till next time, aloha, White.